Okay, so I'm really excited. I just got on G Expedition. This is my ship to Antarctica. This is my room here, and I'm just going to take you on a really quick room tour. This is not like anyone that I've done before. Super cool. So I'm sharing with somebody I haven't actually met her yet, called Karen. This is the twin room. So we have like a porthole window, and I sleep next to a picture of a seal, which is so cute. So this is the bed. It all looks really nice, very clean. Lots of stuff there, so I'll kind of put in information afterwards. Desk over here, and lots of different things on. So there's like, I think that's a laundry bag. Oh, really cool. I don't actually know what this is. Oh, I think it's a bottle, reusable bottle. So that's very cool. I like the sustainability idea there. These are my bags. So this should be your wardrobe space, which is really good. So I guess we both get kind of one of them. In here, oh, there's another storage area and blankets. And then this door leads to the bathroom. So there's the toilet there, the sink, all of the different towels and everything. So you get your towels, you get soap, it's me, and then a shower with shampoo, conditioner and body wash. So looks pretty good. Very, oh, look out where that goes. Very clean, really nice. So I'm going to be on here for, and I guess that's when they have like 3 people in a room, so that's the other bed as well. So I'm going to be on here for 12 nights, and I think like the rest of today and obviously the day that we disembark. So this is G Expedition, the ship that goes to Antarctica, and this is the room.